Okay, Sarkar sir, you can ask your question, please.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग जी, बोलिए.
Sir, I have been diagnosed osteoarthritis, sir, and there is a curve in my right leg also. Now the doctor said that it has to be operated, and he has suggested for knee replacement. And let me tell you, sir, I am slightly worried about it, and I am reluctant. I don't want to go for any kind of surgery, sir. So I have been, reading, exploring all the possibilities. Now I have also doing little bit of yoga in the morning, go for a little bit of walk, but again it has drastically affected my lifestyle. I used to play cricket, I used to walk very fast, but now it is not possible, sir.
Okay, got
So
you.
I thought of a contact with, yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. I'll give you the explanation for this, how you can come out of this. Osteoarthritis, when we say osteoarthritis, and osteoarthritis means inflammation, itis means inflammation, and there is also degeneration, porosis also, osteoporosis. जहाँ पे कि degeneration, there is a degeneration of bones, regeneration is not happening properly. Osteoarthritis is an inflammation, and it also has a degeneration aspect associated with it. So the solution will only come if your regeneration factor can be enhanced. Otherwise, there is no solution. See, osteoporosis. I'll give you an example of osteoporosis. By taking in calcium, how many people have come out of osteoporosis? Not even one. In the whole world, दुनिया में osteoporosis calcium खा के कोई ठीक नहीं कर पाया. Because we are looking in a wrong direction. It is not that calcium is not available for your body. Every kind of a food has calcium in it. The problem is your body is not able to absorb it. The strength of absorption is low. So you have to increase the strength of absorption. Unless and until you increase the strength of absorption and the regeneration factor, this you cannot come out of. Now, is operation the solution for it? Tell me, if osteoarthritis is happening, it is happening across the body. In one place, it is giving more trouble because that is one weak part of it. So osteoarthritis doesn't happen very localized. It is a factor which is of entire body. So can it be cured by doing an operation? No, it cannot be cured by doing an operation. Second thing, osteoarthritic people, if anything externally is put in their body, they face much more problem than a healthy person. In a healthy person, if you put any artificial thing, a knee replacement or whatever, an artificial thing, object in the body, the healthy body may be able to bear it. But a person who already has inflammation, osteoarthritis and a degeneration, if a artificial thing is put in the body, his life is completely gone. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, before knee replacement, he was at least able to walk and do his things. After knee replacement, he was on wheelchair. And any number of examples. The second part of it is when something artificial is put in the body. To keep it in the body, lot of steroids are given. You are put on a steroid regime. What is steroid? Steroid numbs your organ function. It decreases the sensitivity of your body. It is basically making you dumb. आपकी लाइफ को कम कर दिया जाता है. Your life is decreased. So after a regime of steroid, most of the people get into some kind of an issue, internal organ issue, till to the stage of a failure. तो देखिए, अगर आपके पास में कोई solution नहीं है, if you don't have a real solution, whatever solution is to be applied is not a logical, it doesn't come in logical reasoning. भाई आपके पास अच्छा भोजन नहीं है तो जहर ही खिला दो. क्योंकि वही अवेलेबल है। ये कौन सा लॉजिक है? That is why I am saying Firangis are the most dumbest people on earth. हम उनके गुलाम है 200-300 साल से। प्रॉब्लम ये है, सारी दुनिया बर्बाद कर दी उन्होंने, आदमी को बर्बाद कर दिया कि नहीं? जमीन बर्बाद कर दिया। Now you are saying organic farming, जैविक खेती करो, because lot of chemicals were used on land. The fertility of land gone down, health of land finished. A lot of chemicals on your body, health of body finished. इसकी ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग कब शुरू करना है कि नहीं करना? So the question is once again, unless and until these two things, inflammation factor is also associated with liver. आपका osteoarthritis liver के साथ भी associate हो सकता है. If the liver metabolism is not proper, it creates a lot of inflammation in the body. And the inflammation for a longer period of time can create bone inflammation, which is osteoarthritis or any other kind of inflammation, even muscle inflammation. So that has to be rejuvenated. आपके liver को तो rejuvenate करना पड़ेगा, आपकी हड्डियों को भी ठीक करना है तो, right? So that's what I was explaining कि केवल liver मत ठीक करो, केवल हड्डी को मत ठीक करो. You have to actually do a holistic treatment of your body. So ये दो चीज, the Kumbhak therapy part in this program that you'll learn addresses itis, that means inflammation. It also addresses what you call as organ rejuvenation. And the other part, Anganyasa and Hatha Vinyasa, these also addresses different balances, organs, strength factors of. So अगर ये करेंगे, you will get a lot of relief. And if you want to take any external support, take natural support, natural medication का आप support ले सकते हैं, which we also will suggest you, but that is your choice. कुंभक is compulsory. कुंभक का कोई तोड़ नहीं है, इसीलिए ये तो आपको करना ही पड़ेगा, whatever else you do.